welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to install Kali Linux 2022.1. So we get the first update of the Kali Linux this year. So the new version of Kali Linux is available on the official website of Kali. So first of all you have to download the Kali Linux installer according to your hardware. Now here you can choose your Kali according to your need. Like virtual machines, mobile, cloud, live boot, WSL, etc. Now in bare metal, you can download the ISO image according to your system. I have already downloaded the 64-bit Kali Linux installer. Now the second step is to download the Balena etcher for creating a bootable USB drive. Here I am using Windows operating system. I have already downloaded both of them. Now connect your USB drive with your computer. And now open the Balena etcher application. You can also get the portable etcher application if you do not want to install the application in your system. Now, this is the Balena etcher application. Now click on Flash from File and select your downloaded Kali Linux 2022.1 installer image. Now, here you have to select the USB drive which one you want to bootable. And then click on Flash. Balena Etcher is a free and open source utility used for writing image files such as .iso and .img files, as well as zipped folders onto storage media to create Live South Dakota cards and USB flash drives. Now, this application makes your USB bootable. If you want how to make a bootable USB drive in Mac OS and Linux, please give a comment below. Now reboot your system and boot your machine from a USB drive. Now Kali Linux installer menu is the first step to install Kali Linux 2022.1. Here you have to select the option of how you want to install your Kali. I choose here graphical install. Now here you have to select the preferred language you want for your system. Now select your location, it is based on the language you selected. Now here you have to select your default keyboard layout. It is detecting the installation media and loads the additional components. Now here you have to enter the hostname for this system. Here if you want to enter your domain name you can otherwise leave it empty. Here set up the full username for this system. Now here set up a username for your account. Now set up a strong password for your Kali Linux users. Now, this is the most important part of the installation. Please make a backup if you are using this method to install Kali Linux. Because I am using the entire hard disk in this tutorial. Here I am using the first step, where it choose the entire hard disk. And this step format your full hard disk. So I recommend please make a backup first. Select this option and click on continue. Here verify the partitions information and select the yes option and click on continue. Now it is installing the base system. Now here you have to select the options like which desktop environment you want. The default desktop environment is XFCE. I am going with default settings here. Now here selected software is installing in your system. Now here we have to install the grub, so select the yes option and click on continue. Here you have to select the path and then click on continue. Now it is installing the grub bootloader in our system. Now our Kali Linux installation is completed. Click on continue to rebooting your system. So that is it. This is the way how to install Kali Linux 2022.1 on your machine. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you very much, see you in next video.